Hey everyone, here's how to edit a Google Forms response after you've already submitted it. The method depends on whether you're the person who filled out the form or the person who created it. I'll walk you through the main approaches. The first method is using the Edit Response link. This only works if the form creator turned on response editing. If you just submitted the form, check the confirmation page that came up right after you clicked Submit. If editing is allowed, you'll see an Edit Your Response link right there. Click it, and the form will reopen with all your previous answers already filled in. Make whatever changes you need, then hit Submit again to save the updated version. If you close that confirmation page, check your email. Some forms send a confirmation message with an edit link included. Once you click the link and the form opens, your old answers will be pre-filled, so just change what needs fixing and submit again. If you don't see an edit link anywhere, it means the form creator disabled editing, so you'll need to move on to the next method. If editing isn't enabled, your only option is to contact the form owner directly. Look for contact information in the form description or in any confirmation email you received. If there's no contact info visible, try replying to the email the form came from. When you reach out, be specific. Mention exactly which question needs correcting and what the correct information should be. Include any details that'll help them find your response, like the time you submitted it or the email address you used. Then wait for them to either manually fix your response or enable editing and send you a link. If you're the form creator and need to edit someone's response yourself, the easiest way is through Google Sheets. Open your form, then click the Responses tab at the top. You'll see a button that says Link to Sheets, or a green Sheets icon. Click it. If the form isn't linked to a sheet yet, this will create one. Once the sheet opens, each row is a separate response, and each column is a question. Scroll through or press Ctrl F to search for the response you need. Click the cell you want to change, type the new information, and it'll save automatically. Here's an important note. Editing the sheet doesn't change the original response data in Google Forms. Only the sheet reflects your edits. So if you need the Forms Response tab to show the correction too, you'll need to use Method 1 or contact the respondent to resubmit. For more advanced editing workflows, third-party add-ons like Response Manager offer additional control. Thanks for watching.